I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house. But we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution. In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home. It only takes a moment to get rid of ants for good. The ants will flee, a home remedy that works better than chemical products. Prepare a small bowl. Take 2 white tablets. That's aspirin. It has more uses than you think. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which irritates ants. Crush each tablet into fine powder. Then pour about 17 ounces of warm water into a glass container. This will help the aspirin dissolve more effectively. Add the powdered aspirin and mix thoroughly. Now it's time for the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Vinegar has a strong scent that ants can't stand. It also has antibacterial and preservative properties. Mix everything again. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply to hard-to-reach places. Spray every corner where you see ants. The ants will start avoiding these spots right away and eventually disappear completely. Repeat spraying every few days to keep the effect. It's a simple, inexpensive, and safe method that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Your home deserves it.
Diese Kugeln retten dein Zuhause. Nimm zuerst Alufolie. Viele kennen sie nur zum Aufbewahren von Lebensmitteln, doch sie kann viel mehr. Reiß ein größeres Stück ab. Gib einen Löffel gemahlenen Kaffee dazu. Sein starker Geruch wirkt abschreckend. Dann kommt ein Löffel gemahlener schwarzer Pfeffer dazu. Das enthaltene Piperin wirkt reizend. Jetzt zerreiße ein Lorbeerblatt in kleine Stücke und gib es zur Mischung. Forme aus der Folie eine Kugel und achte darauf, dass sie gut verschlossen ist. Stich mit einem Zahnstocher kleine Löcher hinein, so entweichen die Gerüche langsam. Lege die fertige Kugel ans Balkonfenster, um Ameisen und andere Insekten fernzuhalten. Sie funktioniert auch super auf der Küchenarbeitsplatte oder im Kleiderschrank. Dort vertreibt sie Motten und sorgt für frischen Duft. Einfach, natürlich und wirkungsvoll. Probier es aus.
I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house. But we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good. Draw a chalk line in front of your doors, and you'll get rid of them from your home once and for all. Everyone should do this. The reason is surprising. Once you learn it, you'll do it too, and quickly. Chalk has many uses that can make life easier, which is why you should draw a line with it in front of your home's entrance. To effectively protect your home from ants, simply draw a thick, continuous line of chalk around all entrances: doors, windows, patio doors, and balcony doors. It's important that the line is thick enough and unbroken, covering the entire perimeter of the door or window frame. Since chalk can wear off over time, it's a good idea to refresh the line regularly, especially around frequently used doors or windows. With this method, you won't see ants in your home anymore. These insects can't cross a chalk line, so you'll get rid of ants once and for all.